I'm going to show you how to create several different types of line and area charts. I'll start out by selecting from cell A4 over to cell D8. I'm not going to include the totals. Then I'll go up to the Insert tab and I'll click this icon, which is for line and area charts. I'll choose the first option and notice how Excel highlights the cells. The cells with the light red are being used as the legend. The cells with the light purple are being used as the labels for the series that are being plotted, and the cells with the light blue is the actual data being plotted. Now I'll select a similar set of data and I'll go back up to the Insert tab. I'll go back to the line chart, and this time I'll choose a 3D line chart. And for the final example, I'll select this set of cells, go back to Insert, go back over to the line chart, and this time I'll choose a 2D area chart. And here are 3 samples of line and area charts.